It was a happy day. People moving up and down, picnic, cooking and eating. And it was a dance parade, and you have people moving on flatbed truck. There's a parade day. And then the Independence night. That was the night. Dances all over the place. And at that time you have good music. Good music. One play banjo, guitar, and drum. You have good music. And sound system was just coming in. So the one and few people have sound system, but that night in general, we had a wonderful dance at the Bagua Market House. And then from then to start to enjoy coming up. Until now, I am still in it.